Welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install and use bootstrap icons. So first of all, you need to copy it and run this code on your terminal on your project. So click enter, press enter. Now wait a minute. After that, successfully installing, you need to configure this on your Angular JSON. So paste it. Now I will leave this on the description below. Okay, so after this you can use bootstrap icons. So let me choose it. So, okay, let's use this. Copy it and paste it. You may paste it one more time. So now restart your application. So our bootstrap icons is working very well. Thanks for watching.